Hello, dear everyone. How is everything going on? Hopefully, all of you are doing good. Today's tutorial is going to be on next part of the sketch lesson. This is the second part of sketch. So, if you are new in my channel, I will suggest you to watch my previous tutorial. So, today you will learn about cross hatching technique. Cross hatching is an extension of hatching which use fine parallel lines drawn closely together to create the illusion of shade or texture in a drawing. Cross hatching is the drawing of multiple layers of hatching at a right angle to create a mesh like pattern. Multiple layers is varying direction can be used to create textures. Cross hatching is often used to create tone effects by varying the spacing of lines or by adding additional layers of lines. Cross hatching is used in pencil drawing, but it's particularly useful with pen and ink drawing to create the impression of areas of tone, since the pen can only create a solid black line. The layering of multiple lines to achieve tone, artists draw in the direction of the shape they are drawing to achieve realistic or lifelike appearance. The more layer you use, the darker the tone achieved. You can start with any lines to create first tone. Just remember, to create shadow, you must overlapping lines from various angles. To understand more about cross hatching, I have drawn a subject before, and you can see at first I have applied diagonal line all over, then gradually overlapping shadow area with vertical horizontal lines, only changing those line direction. Increase lines where you need more shadow. That's mean as far as you go from light to dark side, just increase lines, not from one direction, use different direction and movement. Also change the pencil grade with the amount of lines. When you go to heavy shadow, you must use higher graded pencil like 6B or 8B. In cross hatching, lines will follow their own direction. Don't place them all together in same direction. Now watch whole video carefully. You will understand how cross hatching technique work and how can you apply it easily in your desired subject. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.